Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sarah. Today, we have a very special guest. His name is William. He works at a company from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. He is 45 years old. But here's the amazing part. He looks like he's only 25. People ask him the same question almost every day. What's your secret? Today, we're going to find out. Hi, William. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm happy to be here.
William, can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
When people hear you're 45, do they believe you?
Almost never. Most people think I'm joking.
I have to admit, I was surprised too. You really do look much younger.
Thank you. I hear that a lot.
So, let's start with your mornings. What time do you wake up?
Every day, 5:30. Even on weekends.
Really? That's early.
Yes. My body likes a regular schedule. It feels natural now.
What do you do after you wake up?
I drink a glass of water. Then I go for a walk. Sometimes I jog.
For how long?
About 30 minutes. Nothing too hard. Just enough to wake up my body.
I've heard you eat a really big breakfast. Is that true?
Absolutely. Breakfast is my biggest meal.
What's on your plate?
Eggs, fruit, oatmeal, whole grain bread, yogurt, sometimes fish. I eat until I'm full.
Wow. That's a healthy start. What about work? Do you get stressed?
Sometimes. Everyone does. But I take short breaks. I stand up. I stretch. I drink water.
That sounds simple.
Simple habits are easier to keep.
Do you ever skip lunch?
Never. Lunch gives me energy.
What do you usually eat?
Rice, chicken, or fish. Lots of vegetables. And water. Not soda.
Now, here's the part that surprised me. You eat less at night?
That's right. Dinner is my smallest meal.
Why?
My body doesn't need a lot of food before bed. I sleep better that way.
Do you stay up late?
Almost never. I usually go to bed around 10.
No late night TV?
Sometimes. But not often. Good sleep is important.
So, there isn't one magic secret, right?
Exactly. I don't try to look younger. I just take care of myself.
Can you give everyone one piece of advice?
Sure. Wake up early. Eat a healthy breakfast. Choose balanced meals. Eat a lighter dinner. Stay active.
sleep well, and be consistent. Small habits done every day can make a big difference.
I love that. Thank you for sharing your story today.
Thanks for having me.
And thanks to everyone for listening. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Take care, everyone.
Hello everyone. Today let's start the practice. Thank you for being with me. Now I am welcoming you to a real practice session. Please repeat and shadow me until you have a similar pronunciation. Say with me. Secret, secret, surprised, surprised, regular, regular, schedule, schedule, consistent, consistent, 45 years old, 45 years old, 45 years old, 45 years old, looks like 25, looks like 25, 5:30, 5:30, nothing too hard, nothing too hard, water, not soda, water, not soda, smallest meal, smallest meal, my body likes a regular schedule, my body likes a regular schedule. Breakfast is my biggest meal. Breakfast is my biggest meal. Simple habits are easier to keep. Simple habits are easier to keep. Small habits done every day make a big difference. Small habits done every day make a big difference. Let's do it faster again. Secret, secret, surprised, surprised, regular, regular, schedule, schedule, stretching, stretching, consistent, consistent, 45 years old, 45 years old, looks like 25, looks like 25, 5:30, 5:30, nothing is too hard, nothing is too hard, water, not soda, water, not soda, smallest meal, smallest meal, my body likes a regular schedule, my body likes a regular schedule, breakfast is my biggest meal, breakfast is my biggest meal, Simple habits are easier to keep. Simple habits are easier to keep. Small habits done every day make a big difference. Okay, that's the end. See you!